Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Mahmood and roll number is BP1650049. My assignment topic is hyperchylomicronemia. Hyperchylomicronemia is the presence of the excess chylomicrons in the blood, a symptom of lipoprotein lipase deficiency. So here we have the picture. The upper layer is the chylomicrons, and rest over are the serum fluid separating gel and the red blood cells. We have the familial hyperchylomicronemia type 1, which is commonly known as the syndrome, familial hyperchylomicronemia syndrome. So it's a rare autosomal recessive metabolic disorder that is caused by the mutation in the lipoprotein lipase. So it correlated with the significant morbidity and distress amongst the patients. So this article describes the background, pathophysiology and history. So here we have this physical symptoms: memory loss, depression and severe pain, pancreatitis, back pain, xanthomas and lipemia and retinitis. uh, uh, Etiology: about 80% of the familial hyperlipidemia and hyperchylomicronemia type 1 results from inherited defects in both alleles of the lipoprotein lipase gene. So the rest 20% is the result of the mutation in other genes and related to the function of the lipoprotein lipase, such as the C2 and A5 high density lipoprotein binding protein 1 and lipase maturation factor 1. So unidentified mutation also exist. These all mutations lead to malfunctioning of the enzyme lipoprotein lipase. So you can see the pictures. So this is the type 1 diseases. So here we have the case study. So a 62 years old discovered white female who presents for her annual physical exam. So she has a history of the hypertension and the hyperchylomicronemia. The patient takes 5 mg PO of lisinopril, denies chest pain, palpitation and lower extremity edema. The patient works full time as a graduate nursing program professor, non-smoker and occasional drinker. This patient participates in yoga aerobic activities daily and follows a diet. So she has not a head, recommended colonoscopy, no mammogram and non complaints with the flu shot and recommended adult immunization. The patient states she has no complaint at the time. Uh, The subject is age 62 years, gender female, chief complaints, no complaint at this time, and current medication is a lisinopril 5 mg PO. So history is hypertension and hyperchylomicronemia. The object we have height 64 inches, weight 127, BMI 21.8, blood pressure 112 by 60, and pulse rate is 68, and temperature is 97.9, temporal are 16 and SpO2. Assessment we have hypertension and uncontrolled hyperchylomicronemia. We can also treat this by loss of weight and loss of fats in the diet, so we can maintain it. The plan: we have plans: medication to control the hyperlipidemia or hyperchylomicronemia, boosters for adult immunization, referral for routine colonoscopy, mammogram, and follow up with the primary care provider for results of the colonoscopy, mammogram, and consultation with the gastrointestinal specialist and female health provider, patient's education for continued recommended screening. The therapeutics are based on the patient's lab results with her total cholesterol of the 302 and her HDL of 117. So she needs to be a high intensity statin regimen to get her cholesterol level lowered. So this patient is at risk of having atherosclerosis, cardiovascular diseases. So in the future, so this patient would benefit for the atorvastatin, 40 to 80 mg a day or rosuvastatin 20 to 40 mg a day. So her diagnosis of the hypertension and the medication. So she currently take a valid based on her vital signs at the time of this examination.